to fix low views and followers on your new page. You will see some people, they will create page 1 month, they have not even gotten up to 100 followers, 2 months, 3 months, and their view is not moving. They are not getting any view on that their new page. That you created a new page doesn't mean that you will not be getting view. You will also be having view. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this low view and followers not coming up. Okay, so guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you one particular thing that usually cause this. Let's go.
So guys, once you come to your page, you scroll down, you see details, page, review, see your about info. You tap it. Once you tap it, you will see category. This category is the problem why you are not having followers, why you are having low view. Some people, their page is about health, discussing about how to have a good health, tips that will help you to have a healthy health. And instead of putting that their category under health, they will go and put it maybe under entertainment website like this one, or comedy, or musician, why your page is not about entertainment, it's not about music, it's not about comedy, you're talking about health. Okay, so once you come to your category while opening your page, make sure that that particular thing that you want to be doing on your page, that is what you put at your page category, so that when you make upload, Facebook will show your video to that category of people you're posting your video for. Okay, so it's very, very important when you are doing entertainment or comedy, or maybe cooking vlogging, don't go and use another category and put there. If you put another category there, the people that they will be showing your video are the people that will not be interested in your video, because it's not the category of people on your page. Okay, so once you are opening a new page, make sure that you choose your category very well. Okay, it's very, very important. As you can see, the type of categories here, we have actor, artist, athletics, blogger, chef, comedian, designer, anyone that you know that you are doing. Are you a writer? Put it here. Are you a public figure? Put it here. Photographer? Put it here. Musician? Put it here. Journalist? Put it here. Gamer, fashion model? Put it. Entrepreneur, digital creator, designer, comedian, chef, blogger, athlete, artist, actor, anyone that you know you are doing on your page, that is what will be happening on your page. Just search for it and put it there. If you didn't see any of the ones here that you want to do on your page, you can tap search, type what you want to, like, let's say health and beauty. Health, health, anything concerning health, you understand, medical and health, you put it. If you're a doctor, you're a nurse, you can put medical and health. Okay, don't be a doctor, you come and put musician. How do you expect to get views and followers? It's not possible, because Facebook will not be the one recommending your videos to your right audience. So it's very important while choosing your category, make sure that you choose category according to what you are doing on your page. Okay, once you are doing this will help Facebook to be distributing your videos to the right audience. You'll be getting views, followers. Once they watch it, they will follow you. Like this page now, it's all about entertainment. Okay, everything you'll be seeing on this video now is entertainment, 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 what that will make you to laugh. Okay, so I can't come here now and put maybe music here. I'm a music, I'll be singing here. No, they will not be distributing this video to my right audience, because it's not my category. Okay, as this category now is entertainment, so whatever that I'll be putting here now is all about entertainment, entertainment. So I won't put anything that is not entertaining here, because it's not what this page is all about. Okay, so make sure that while opening your page, add your category, choose it wisely. Doing this will help Facebook to be recommending your video to the right audience, and you'll be getting followers, you'll be getting views. You see this page now, this page now is not up to 3 weeks I open it. Okay, this page now I've gotten 310 followers and my views. See the dashboard now, see my performance, you see it. I've met all my level, I've met all those 10 now. I'm level 3 now. So it's very important. Make sure that you choose your category very well. It will help your page to be going viral. Facebook will recommend it to the right audience. So go now and check your own. If your own category is not according to what you're doing on your page, go and edit it. Just tap here now, you look these ones. If you didn't find your category here, search for it, type what you're doing. Blogging, you will see here blogger. Cooking, you see I'm a chef now. So anyone that you know that you are doing, just type it here and start and change it so that Facebook will be recommending your video to your right audience. I hope this video was helpful. Okay, if it was, help me to share it out, like, comment, follow for more tutorials. I love you all. Bye guys, see you all in my next tutorial.